In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to install OpenClaw, which was known as ClaudeBot and then MoldBot, on a virtual private server, so that way you can securely run this using your desktop computer, or you can interact with it with your WhatsApp from your cell phone number. This is going to be a super beginner-friendly tutorial, so that way you can just follow me along and you'll be able to interact with OpenClaw by the end of this video. All right, let's jump in. Alright, so we're going to be using Hostinger. They recently released this OpenClaw hosting, which makes it super simple to run OpenClaw. And again, I'm going to walk you through the whole process. So click on the link in the description. It's going to bring you right here. So you're going to scroll down to the bottom. Right here it says the KVM1, KVM2, 4, and 8. We're going to go with KVM2 because this is plenty for you to run OpenClaw successfully. So you're going to click on Choose Plan here. And then afterwards, this is going to bring you to your cart. Obviously, the period depends on how long you want to host this. If you choose 12 months or 24 months, obviously, the longer you choose, the more discount you get. And on top of that, if you click on Have a Coupon Code and type AI Workshop, this will click on apply. This will further give you an additional 10% off. So now you have the best deal you can possibly get here. So as you can see right here, it says auto deploy OpenClaw. And that's what they've made this process completely simple. And with a few clicks, you can basically be able to access this. So you'll see in a little bit. Anyway, so once you do that, as you can see in the bottom, this will automatically choose the server location. Since I'm in the US, it will automatically choose that depending on where you are. Make sure you're choosing the closest server location to you where you're located. Everything else you're going to leave the same. So we're going to click on continue afterwards. So this is where you can log in. So if you have an account, you can go ahead and log in, or you can sign up for a new account. I already have an account, so I'm just going to quickly log in. Okay, so after you log in, go ahead and fill in your billing address and then also the payment information. Okay, so after your payment goes through, go ahead and click on Get Started. This will bring you directly to this OpenClaw configuration. Now, one very important thing, make sure you save this OpenClaw gateway token because we're going to need this in a little bit. So go ahead and copy and paste this. I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so once you save your OpenClaw gateway token, here's where now we can put our API key for Anthropic, OpenAI, Gemini, depending on which model you're using. This is where you can add your API key there. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Anthropic API key. So I'm going to go to platform.claude.com and then I'm going to come into API keys here and I'll go ahead and create a new API key. So I'm just going to say OpenClaw. There you go. Add. There you go. So copy this key. By the way, do not share your API key with anybody. I'm going to, of course, delete this after this video is published, but I'm going to go ahead and copy it. And I'm going to go back to my Hostinger there. So I'm going to go back here and basically paste this right here. So after you do that, again, you can put your WhatsApp number here as well, or your phone number, your WhatsApp number, so that way you'll be able to interact with OpenClaw through your phone via WhatsApp as well. So go ahead and enter your number and then click on deploy. Okay, so now once you click on deploy, now it says your project is being deployed. So as you can see right here, project says OpenClaw. So this might take a few seconds. So let's go ahead and let this thing finish. All right, so after about 40-50 seconds, it says now running. And as you can see in the bottom right here, so if I click on this arrow, this is what it says OpenClaw MWWP OpenClaw-1 says running, right? So in order to access OpenClaw now, all I have to do is click on this link right here and it says welcome to OpenClaw, enter your OpenClaw gateway token. This is what I was telling you earlier to make sure you save your token. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my token here. Okay. And I'm going to click on login. And perfect. There you go. So this is basically how you can interact with OpenClaw. As you can see that it says gateway dashboard. So this is the chat interface that you can chat with it just like you would chat with any AI model like ChatGPT or Claude and everything. So let's go ahead and test this out. So I'm just going to say hi just to see if it's activated or not. And it looks like it's working. By the way, just in case, if you send hi or whatever, your first interaction, if it's not working, if there's something going on, so there you go. As you can say, hey, I just came online. Looks like this is the beginning. I've got a fresh workspace here. We haven't met yet. So who am I? Who are you? So the way OpenClaw works, obviously, the more you give it data, the more you train it, the more you interact with it, the better it's going to understand who you are. what type of work you want it to do, and everything else. So that's kind of the great thing about this, because it's a true AI assistant, right? So by the way, as I was mentioning before, if this doesn't come online, if it's not working, it means that something's wrong with your API key most of the times, and that's from your Anthropic. One of the most common things is that people forget to put like money on their Anthropic account or their OpenAI account. So that's why you want to make sure you at least have like $5 there, so that way you can interact with this. All right, so there you go. It looks like our OpenClaw is working properly. All right, so that's the chat interface that you can chat with it directly from this area right here. On the left hand side, you have the controls, so the overview, the channels. So the channels is where you actually can connect to OpenClaw via your WhatsApp or Telegram. I like using WhatsApp, but Telegram is also something you can easily do as well. So the way to connect with your WhatsApp is very simple. You're just going to click on show QR here, and it's going to say working. So it's going to generate a QR code. Now you can go on your phone and you can scan the QR code here from your WhatsApp, and now you'll be able to interact with this from your phone there. Same thing at Telegram. You can create a new bot and you'll be able to interact with this. But for now, if you're completely new, just stick to chat here. You can interact with this from chat, and then like I said, later on you can add your WhatsApp and everything else as well. So the channels, again, this is how you can add your WhatsApp and Telegram. Instances, don't worry about this for now. So sessions, this is each session that you interact with OpenClaw. This is where you would see it right here. And then of course usages, where you can see the amount of tokens and everything else that you have interacted with it. So agents, so this is important. Obviously this is the main agent. This is where you can create sub agents as well. We will cover that in other videos, but essentially the main agent is, it shows you exactly which model you're using. So I'm using Claude Sonnet 4.5, because that's just like an automatic model that it selects. And by the way, if you want to change that, you can always have interaction with OpenClaw and say, hey, update your model to this, right? Which I'm going to show you another way to also use that as well. So skills, this is another really cool addition to kind of the new world of AI. Before you had tools for your AI agent, skills is basically an advanced version of that. Again, we're going to talk about that in other videos, because skills is something that could really make your AI assistant very powerful. Everything else, like I said, don't worry about it at this point. I think the best thing to do for now is just kind of use this chat interface, so that way you can get familiar. And then the next step is to go and use your channels to interact with this via WhatsApp. All right. Well, hopefully you found that helpful. Make sure you like, subscribe, because like I said, we'll be making more content around OpenClaw, AI, and everything else. And again, if you're interested in learning how to monetize this and make money with AI, check out the community. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.